Designing 3D models once required expensive software running on tailored operating systems and specialist hardware, but not anymore. The 3D modeling software is bringing the difference. This video will review the best 3D modeling softwares that can help you design complex shapes and mechanisms easily and efficiently. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Number 1. Autodesk 3ds Max. Autodesk 3ds Max is a general-purpose modeler for content creators. Standard features include skeletons and inverse kinematics, cloth simulation, skinning, and character control for two-legged movement. If the software doesn't support precisely the feature or rendering mode you need, an extensive plugin system allows third-party modules to add it to 3ds Max. Some of these add-ons are free, but the best ones may cost some money. 3ds Max supports the construction of conventional polygons, NURBS, and patch surfaces for modeling purposes. Images can be generated using various rendering systems, including Pixar's RenderMan and Mental Ray. The problem with this product is its high price. There's a discount for a 3-year commitment, but that still doesn't make this a cheap experience. Number 2. Rhinoceros. When Rhinoceros came out, most 3D modeling systems knew the basic geometry, and some offered splines, but almost none could handle NURBS. NURB surfaces, with their ability to bend in more than one plane, are essential to model the body of a vehicle or aircraft accurately. And Rhino is the undisputed king of NURBS. Rhino is available for both Mac and PC, and can shape objects, adjust LiDAR scans, work with meshes from other systems, and even render ray-traced scenes. Like 3ds Max, this one also has a plug-in solution and a mature development platform for creating new ones. In addition to plugins, there is a scripting language that can automate complex details or change processes. But even if you are not a software developer, you can use Grasshopper, a tool for creating form generation algorithms, to create advanced functions without writing any code. In general, this product is ideal for prototyping mechanical parts or creating conceptual designs and converting them to physical objects using 3D printing. Number 3. Blender. Blender is one of those tools anyone can use without worrying about costs or upgrades. From the beginning, it was an open-source 3D authoring tool used for free, even for commercial purposes. While other tools focus on modeling or rendering parts of the 3D process, Blender has everything from modeling, montage, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking to video editing. It even has a 2D animation pipeline to combine 2D elements with 3D models. The channeling aspect of this tool is perfect for a team where artists can work on their part of a scene, and then watch it merge with elements created by others. The latest feature is real-time rendering with the EEVE engine, which bridges the gap between what was previously possible in real time and effects that only required offline processing. Because this product is free, you have no excuse if you have never tried it. Number 4. Zbrush. Zbrush has advanced radically from convention when it comes to modeling 3D objects, using a brush system that allows designers to sculpt virtual clay in real time. It is famous in various industries, but mainly in the movie and player development industry, and with concept artists. The object building system helps create new and exciting shapes rather than laboriously recreating existing objects in 3D space. Objects created with Zbrush tend to have a hand-sculpted feel, and the system can be used with pressure-sensitive pencils and graphics tablets to aid in the organic nature of this modeling method. Another artist-friendly feature is a nonlinear production path, which allows you to roll back a design to a previous iteration, make a change, and then scroll forward again. This flexibility enables mistakes, changes of opinion, or design developments to be part of the process. Number 5. Mode. Born out of the Lightwave 3D development team, Moto has evolved from a simple subdivision surface modeler to the full-featured digital content creation app we know today. Their tools have been well thought out and implemented, making them easy to use. And when you add an excellent rendering system, it's easy to see why Moto has gained popularity. Moto is one of the best applications for creating polygon shapes using both direct tools and procedural techniques with modeling at its core. The addition of the best Mesh Fusion Boolean system expands your modeling repertoire. Though it may lack the high-end dynamics and simulation tools, it can hold its own in creating stunning artwork and 3D rendering. Number 6. 3D Lightwave. Lightwave was once the most popular sci-fi TV show app, but it was down for several years after failing to produce a modernized version. However, it has recently seen a revival, and an updated version was released in early 2020. Lightwave works as two apps: Modeler for creating assets, and Layout for texturing, lighting, animating, and rendering. Much of the underlying toolset is quite old, although it has added many new features in recent years. But that doesn't stop it from being a robust, feature-rich digital content creation suite with a fast, interactive PBR renderer.
Good.
It's an excellent 3D modeling app for learning the basics, and you can test it yourself with the 30-day free trial, while students can purchase a copy for just $195.
Start with a large brush.
Number 7. Wings 3D. As a pure modeling application, Wings 3D is an open-source project for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux that has been in development since 2001. Like all subdivision modelers, it allows you to generate an underlying shape from polygons and then create a smooth form by subdividing the mesh. Though the UI is unusual, it's pretty straightforward for modelers. Still, it's pretty easy to use and an ideal way to get familiar with polygon modeling. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.